I'm not going to get into the details of everything, but we're shooting with the Sony ZV-1 Mark II, a DJI Mic 2 receiver and transmitter. Here you have a Sony ZV-1F. You have a Osmo Pocket 1, a Pocket 2, and yes, a DJI Osmo Pocket 3, and the Osmo Action 3, and the Action 4, and sure enough, a GoPro. 1,000,001 unboxings, yes indeed. Oh yeah, I'm going to open mine up right now. I charged it, and yeah, really difficult to take out of the case, and really difficult to put back in the case. First impressions, oh man, I like the grip of it. It is bigger, wider, taller than the Pocket 1. Own the same thing to the Pocket 2. Yeah, definitely bigger. I'm only going to compare the screen size of the GoPro to the Pocket 3. I think I could live with the screen size matching the GoPro. I'm used to that. So I should get used to this. I got to get used to flipping it. First thing I do, I peel this off. I turn it on. Nice. Well, I got to set it up. English. What do I do next? I got to go watch a video. I grab my phone. Do the best to touch on the picture or down here. Man, what's happening? I don't need a video. But I'll figure it out. I'm going to open up my phone. And I'm simply going to hit connect. I got to enter the password. Shh, don't tell nobody. I timed out. I'm going to connect again. Don't get sidetracked. I only got 4 more tries. Agree. Allow. Activate. I'm done. Just like that. I never know we have so much trouble trying to, attract me. I'm connected. I got myself, my Samsung card is a 64 gig. I take it off product showcase and I just use set focus. It works a lot better. I'm going to put the card in. I'm going to simply snap it in like so. Oh man, let me take my card out. Nothing hard about that. Everything that we hear online, people complain. My card just flew. For the amount of time this has been on, it's warm. I got this little thing here towards the back. I heard the clicks. That is sweet. That's all I can say. I got a Pocket 2 and a Pocket 3. Yeah, I'm not going to compare it to anything else. Because if I was to compare, I think this would be a fair comparison. a Sony ZV-1F fixed focus to a DJI Osmo Pocket 3 fixed focus, both with product review. I got a Sony ZV-1 Mark II, so I don't have to compare it to the first generation. I'm gonna go out and go have some fun. Join me. My first video. All right, let me get you off the screen so I can see me. I'm a little too bright. I'm in low light. I think I got it. Problem is, not for a person who wears glasses. You gotta get to learn the machine. Yes, indeed. Negative 0.07. On the negative side, 0.7. Yeah, I think it was like positive. Not sure how that happened. Well, the sun's not out and it's getting dark. Yeah, let's just get a little walk in. This is my Inky Falcon Plus. I don't use it. I'm gonna cut it above the orange. And yeah, I'm gonna put it on. And I think that's gonna be the right fit because I'm just using it as I got the camera. Just the tripod bottom. And my hands are large. I need something big. I got no clue how this dynamic range works. Is it putting me in there? Did it hit face tracking? I think I'm gonna do the first one instead. I wish there is a way, and everybody's saying, allow us to turn the prompts off. We'll get used to it. Oh man, how's that color look to you? That really stood out. That was more important than me talking to DJI to fix the prompts. Aren't you ready for the Pocket 4? I am, because they're gonna make it wireless turnaround more than 350 degrees. And that is something that's coming soon. I'm gonna direct your attention over there. Come on, go. I'm using the joystick. I'm on the first mode. I don't know if I could cancel it. I don't want to touch the screen. Do I press the button to cancel and then move? Ah, the fish learned something. Let me bring you back. Bring it back to me. Press the button and get you back on track. Are you back on track? Yeah, I think I am. I'm gonna put you down. Follow me, follow me. Didn't work. I thought I had you right. I did a double tap. All right, looking at the sky. How high can you look? Don't think you could look that high. So here I am, over here. I can't go there, but I could go there. Oh man, this is what I'm gonna like. Now, it is following me pretty well. Problem is, peripheral vision of the Action 4. It can't go anywhere off the side. But the peripheral vision of the Pocket 3, mighty fine. Fish, stop your recording. Oh, I'm over here. Yeah. Oh yeah, I think I am in love. But I don't know what I'm gonna do. I thought that the camera could look all the way up to the sky. Is it working? Doing a good job? Yeah, come on, baby. Come on, follow me. I think I got enough footage. Yeah. Now, I'm gonna give a little talk before I get out of there. Oh, thank you. I'm out of here. Now I'm gonna talk to you. It's raining. Now, I take my Sony ZV-1 Mark II out in the rain. I do. And I'm going to take the Pocket 3 out in the rain. And I will. Because I know the camera could withstand some water. But I know it cannot stand being waterproof. It don't like waterproof. So you know not to bring it in the water. But if it's a drizzle, it's okay. Dry it off, right? First impressions. Yeah, I watch so many videos out there. And let me tell you, that's why I'm making a video like this. Don't hate me for it. It's because the people out there, they got trouble with the case. They broke their Pocket 3. Oh, don't get a raindrop on it. Not gonna work. Get a DJI mic. It's the best thing in the world. Now, let me tell you this. I'm holding it in hand, and you know what I feel? Looseness on the bottom thing. Nobody talks about that. So I feel like taking tape and taping it around. I think I am going to go get myself maybe not a silicone case, but maybe a better way to connect it. Maybe it needs to have some little pressure on there. Have you found the cure for the bottom base? That it sits solid or just a little loose? Is it me? I don't know. I know it's mine. Is this low light? How does it look to you? I'm gonna stop and put you back on regular video. I wish we could do that by pressing the button. This is standard. Back to the norm. I don't think it's dark enough for me to put you on low light. This is standard. Back to the norm. I don't think it's dark enough for me to put you on low light. There's a lot to learn with the Pocket 3. And I don't think I'm going to be learning this anytime soon. But down the road, it's going to take me a while to learn it. Well, I'm wrapping this up. The Pocket 3, the DJI mic underneath right here. Get back in the house. We'll give a little talk. The audio's on high. I could hear it. That's comfortable. It's not like the Osmo Action 4, where it's a lot louder. Different type of speaker, different system. The tracking, auto tracking, is a double tap on the screen. You got to get used to it. The dynamic, maybe there's a different way to do it, but it is what it is. I'm not upset. I'm happy with it. And do that, spiral half this and that. That's another day. Hard for people that wear glasses to see a small screen. Maybe the icons need to be just a little bit bigger than to be so small. Once you learn where everything is at on the shortcuts of the screen, you'll get used to it. Now, turning it on and off within the standby hibernation, I had it off for the last 30 seconds of my walk and came on fast and the mic was ready to go. But again, having those prompts are very annoying. It blocks the screen for more than 10, 15, I don't know how long. It feels like forever seconds. I did the face tracking down in the field, did the low light, I did a sample shot. First impressions? All right. But the con, nobody talked about. The bottom tripod piece of just a standard one without the battery. It's loose. It jiggles. You feel it. Is it secure? It's on. It double click. You want to make sure that it's locked on solid, that it doesn't move. So maybe they can make a better handle. Maybe you could fold the sides in there and give a twist to lock into place. I don't know. The old-fashioned duct tape would do its trick. I don't want to make this a 5-hour video like everybody did. Try to rush it to the market doing their best review. I'm just out here, my channel, my small channel, my micro channel, sharing the fun of a 1-inch sensor Pocket 3. Well, do I got a 1-inch sensor? Oh yeah, it does a great job. I can see the screen. It's a lot larger. And also, yeah, hold on, hang loose. I don't just have one 1-inch, I got two 1-inches. I'm not saying it's a 2-inch, but there's a Sony ZV-1 Mark II right here. And this is a Sony ZV-1F. This is my primary camera. You want to be my primary camera? We'll see how you do down the road. And then we can do a comparison. I'm not comparing these. There's already comparisons out there. And on that note, I see you on the next video. And I'm not even doing the product showcase yet. I'm just making sure I like the camera. How hot are you? Are you that hot? Yeah. It says it's about 72 degrees. Yeah, so it's not really hot. It's hot in the center of the camera. Get a picture for you. Oh, I just found, you got it, product showcase. How's that bad boy? What does it look like to you? Yeah, man. That's a lot of good information. Yeah, baby. Have a great day. I'll catch you later. Oh, detected my face. Yeah, right, baby. Have a great one. I'm going to have so much fun playing with this. Later.